Vivian, welcome to your creator rate audit. So I went through your profile and I got all of the notes that I want to share with you, and I'm going to give you what I think you should be charging as a rate. So first things first, you had 21.6k followers. Obviously that's a great chunk of followers there, so there's a lot that we can do in terms of charging brands. A few things that I look at: your engagement rate, I look at your views, I also kind of look at like your niche or the content category you're in, and then the follower count. So first things first was the engagement rate. So your engagement rate is at on average 11%, and that was according to vidIQ. The industry standard for your follower count bucket is 3.8%. So you're actually much higher than most people in your follower count are. So that's really great. For your views, it looks like the industry standard for your follower count, again, is 21.9% of your following. So that would be about 4.7K, meaning they would expect you to see 4.7K views on the videos that you're sharing. So a majority of your views on your videos are pretty close to that 4.7K, if not above it. Not every single video is going to get there, that's okay, but a majority of them are. So I would say for your views, you're pretty much where you need to be. Maybe some days a little bit lower, but also some days a little higher. So I'm sure it averages out to be right around where you need to be. Next thing we look at again is that follower count. So considering all of those things, and I think with your niche, you do have like a specific enough niche where you're not all over the place. And like if a brand that was in the same category as you came to your page, they would say, oh my gosh, this is perfect for us. Like you still have that point of connection with brands, so that puts you in a really great place. I personally think for all of those different stats and your niche, again, I think that you could probably be charging somewhere between $700 to $800. Obviously not every brand is going to agree to that. Some brands are going to laugh in your face, some and want to give you $50. Some brands are going to have no problem and definitely see the value there. What I would do is that when you are pitching your rates, make sure that you mention these things, like your engagement rate is much higher than the industry standard and your views are on point with where they need to be. Those are really great points to actually be able to have some stats to like kind of back you up there. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about anything or need any further clarification. But good luck with all of your brand deals.